Hey Princeton K, it's Mrs. V. We are getting ready to do our next math lesson today, and today's math lesson is actually for a new module. And by new module, I mean we're doing brand new lessons. We finished Module 5 last week before Mother's Day weekend, and now we are doing Module 6. Module 6 is a short module. It's only 7 lessons, but we're going to do this, and we're going to do these few lessons. And today's lesson is Lesson 1, since we're starting a brand new group of lessons or a brand new module. This is Lesson 1. So we're on Lesson 1. It should say K6 in the corner right there. That means we're on Module 6. We're Lesson 1, and today's date is 5-11-20. And this is what it looks like. We have some shapes. We have lots of words on this side, lots of instructions on what we're going to have to do for this lesson, but this is what our lesson looks like today. And today's lesson is about following steps, okay? So I want you to take a look at something I did, okay? What was I trying to draw here? Yeah, a smiley face, right? So as you can see, the first thing I did was draw a what? A circle, right? Then the second thing I did was my circle with 2 eyes. Yep. And then the third thing I did was the circle, the 2 eyes, and a smiley face. So I followed first, second, and third steps to be able to draw a smiley face. And that is what we're going to do today in our lesson, to draw shapes, okay? And that's going to help us drawing our shapes. So we're going to look at this today. We have our words first, say first, second, and third, okay? These are the steps that we are going to follow today. Each step might be a little bit different, but these are the words that we're going to see on our sheet, on our packet sheet today and throughout the week, first, second, and third, okay? You might even recall that this is what we say when we do calendar, right? When we're saying like the beginning of the month, we don't say May 1 or May 2, do we? No, we say May 1st, May 2nd, and May 3rd, right? So kind of in order. So these are steps that we have to follow in order to do what we need to do to complete our shapes and follow the directions, okay? So the first thing that we have is we have part of a triangle. The second thing that we have to do is we have to complete this triangle. So that's not a triangle, is it? No, but we have to finish drawing it. So I'm going to finish drawing my triangle. And the third thing I'm going to do. So the first thing I did was have part of a triangle. The second thing I did was complete my triangle, drew a line. The third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my triangle, and I'm going to circle all of the corners of my triangle. Okay, so I'm going to draw my triangle, okay, and I'm going to get my different marker, and I'm going to circle all of the corners. Do you guys remember what the corners are in a triangle or in any shape? It's when the sides meet together and make a point, right? So I'm going to circle 1 corner here, 2 corners there, and 3 corners, right? Remember that a triangle has 3 corners. So these are my steps, right? First was I had an empty triangle or an incomplete triangle. Second was I had to draw a line to complete my triangle. And third was I needed to circle the corners of my triangle. So we're going to get our worksheet and we're going to work on it together. Are you guys ready? There are some things that you're going to need, okay? The only things you're really going to need are some crayons, okay? So you're going to need a blue, a red, and a green crayon. So pause this video really quick if you have to go grab those, and grab those really quick, okay? So, here we go. It says at the very top, follow the directions, okay? So we need to make sure that we are following these directions, all right? So the first thing it says, use your ruler to draw a line finishing the triangle. So a ruler is kind of like a long stick that we use to draw straight lines. I don't have one here at home. Maybe if you do at home, ask your parents if they can help you use one. If not, it's okay. I am just going to try and draw a line as best and straight as I can to complete the triangle, okay? So I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to draw a line as straight as I can to complete my triangle. See? Just like that. Okay, so it was the first thing we had to do. The second thing it says is color the triangle green. So what do I need to do? I need to get my green crayon and I need to color my triangle green. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try my best and stay in the lines, Princeton K, because, right, we're getting ready to go to first grade and we need to know how to color in those lines. Okay, triangle's green. Now, the third thing, use your ruler to draw a bigger triangle next to the green triangle. So we need to, in this space over here, draw a bigger triangle. So again, we don't want a wonky triangle. We don't want zigzaggy lines. We want nice straight lines. So do your best to draw a nice, big triangle. Is that one bigger than that one? Yeah. So did I follow my steps? First, second, and third? Yeah, I did. So really quick, I want you to see that for these next ones, you're going to have to make sure that you have somebody with you that can help you read the directions of what you have to do, okay? So really quick for this one, you're going to have to complete a rectangle. So you're going to need a red crayon for this one. So if you want, you can put where it says red crayon right there. You can use your red crayon and just underline it so that you know, oh, okay, I need my red crayon. And then for the one down here, you're going to need a blue crayon. So for under the step that says second, it says you're going to have to color it blue, underline it blue, so you're like, okay, I know I have to color it blue. So, remember, we are following steps for this worksheet, Princeton K. Just like I did for my smiley faces, you're doing the same thing for this worksheet. We're following first, second, and third step instructions to complete our shapes. You did an awesome job today, Princeton K. I'm so, so proud of you, and I will see you in our next math video. Bye, Princeton K.